Hey there, it's Mary Acheng here, and we are back with another video. So if you are new, please subscribe down below and click on the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through my skincare routine that I do on a weekly basis. I do it like I think twice a week, and my skin has been loving it. So that's why I want to show you, and I will be using rose water, neem oil, as you can see there, and then I'll be using that one is a mask, and then I'll be using that one turmeric mask. Yeah, turmeric, it's just turmeric powder, and then that one is a toner, and then I'll be using this soap here to cleanse my face, and then that gadget I'll be just using it as well. So I'll just go right ahead and steam my lovely face just to open. So I'll go right ahead and cleanse my face using this gadget and the soap. So I'm just wetting it up so that I can cleanse easily. So this soap has been my one of my favorite products that I have bought so far, because before soaps used to break up on me, so I reached a point where I didn't even used to wash my face with a soap. I just use plain water, I think, which is better, but you know, the face needs much cleansing. So yeah, so I'm just cleansing gently, not that hard, because sometimes this thing can really rip off your face and you can even bleed. So I just go in gently. Once I'm done cleansing my face, I go right ahead and rinse it off with water, and then I wipe it off with a clean towel, just like pat drying my face, because the face really needs gentle care. Then I go right ahead with my toner, just bring back the pH balance of my skin. So in this toner, I just have aloe vera water in it. That's what I use as my toner. Then after this, I go ahead with my turmeric and rose water is to use as my exfoliator. I just mix them together and then begin exfoliating my skin. So while exfoliating, I literally scrub my face. I like this one because it is just gentle, it is not that harsh on the skin. So with this one, if you're not careful, your face might appear yellow, but it is still okay. It doesn't harm, it doesn't have any harm, because it is a natural product. So go right ahead and let it dry now. As I bring up a dance, as you can see, I'm not quite a good one, and I'm not even dancing to any music, as you can see me there. So you can also go ahead and browse on your phone, on your laptop, go to Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever best suits you. You can do any other thing. So when it is dry, I'll go ahead and rinse it off, and then wipe my face again. And as you know, I'll go right ahead and then apply my toner again to bring the pH balance of my skin. ahead and apply that mask. So in this mask I have cucumber mask and activated charcoal in it. So the purpose for me putting activated charcoal in this mask was for it to appear black, so that I could see the black heads and the white heads. But as you can see, it is not as black as I had expected, but it still worked out okay, though I was not able to see the black heads and the white heads. So when I was done applying this mask, I went ahead and took shower because I couldn't wait for it to dry. So I just had to go ahead and took shower. And even after taking shower, I still had to wait for it to dry. It took a long time. I think I had to put on a really thick layer on it, so that's why it took so long. Now that it is dry, I'll peel it off slowly. And when applying mask to your face, ensure that it doesn't get attached to the airy parts of your face, like the eyebrows and the mustache if you have some, and also the hairline, because it can be a real battle peeling it off. It is so painful. So I'll go right ahead and peel it off slowly and I'll show you the result. The reason I go through this whole process is because it is so therapeutic for me. And so once I'm done, that is how it looks, that is how the mask looks. I'm not able to see the blackheads because it is not as black as I had expected it to be. So I'll go right ahead and apply my toner as usual. Now I'll go in with my neem oil. So I use this as a serum for me, but it works well, and I love this neem oil because it has been like my holy grail. So like I just love it. It has really done it for me. So my face is really responding well to it, and I can tell it really smells bad, especially when you're starting. You can't even withstand the smell, but I'm used to it, so that's why I like it. So I think by now I don't even notice the smell, but when you're starting, oh my goodness, the smell is just and when applying this oil, I usually go in, I massage my skin, like literally massage my skin, because I want my skin to benefit from this oil. So that's why I do that, and it has really been so wonderful. And it is not all about like getting rid of pimples or what, it is all about having your skin feel so healthy, so good. And even when you have the pimples, you just don't notice because all you know is that your skin really feels good. If you have come to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking by. Please, if you are new, subscribe, and thank you so much. Be blessed.